Want to capture high-quality videos with your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you the best 4 camera settings to make sure your videos look professional. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Set the resolution and frame rate. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Camera, tap Record Video, select 4K at 60 FPS for the highest quality and smoothest motion. After that, scroll down. Enable HDR video to have a dynamic video quality. Also enable lock white balance for not having inaccurate color while recording. Solution 2. Use cinematic mode. Open the camera app. Swipe to cinematic mode. This adds a shallow depth of field and focuses on your subject while blurring the background. This will give more like a cinematic view to your video. Solution 3. Keep the grid on for composition. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Camera, toggle on Grid. This helps you frame your shots using the rule of thirds. Solution 4. Use external microphone. Plug in an external microphone to your iPhone. This enhances the audio quality, especially in noisy environments. So that's how you can set up your iPhone camera for high-quality video recording. If this video helped, hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.